Okay, people, shut up and listen.
My goodness, are you all right?
No worries, I just had a whiff of Mr. Ritt's feet.
Today we are going to learn about relative motion. Does anyone know what relative motion is? Anyone at all? No one.
My goodness, I actually heard crickets. Relative motion means motion compared to something. That something is called a frame of reference.
Isn't a frame of reference a stationary object like a tree or something?
It can be, but it can also be something on a moving vehicle, like a seat or a steering wheel, too. It is anything you use to tell if you are moving or not. Come to think of it, even if it is moving, our brain thinks it is stationary.
Is that why I can sit on a toilet that is flying at 600 miles per hour on an airplane without missing?
Exactly. Since the toilet is going at 600 miles per hour, and you are going at 600 miles per hour too, the relative speed of you to the toilet is 0. You can sit right on without falling off because your brain thinks the 600 mile per hour toilet is not moving. Our brains are really not that smart.
That is lucky, because it is a 72-hour flight home. I could never hold it that long. Ever.
Usually we use stationary objects to tell if we are moving or not. If we use the wrong frame of reference, we can get dizzy and fall down, or even get sick. This is what happens in a car, or on a boat. You can confuse your brain and get seasick.
That happens to me when I eat shepherd's pie on an airplane. All over the seats in front of me.
Oh. Okay. That was disgusting. But back to relative motion. It is motion compared to a stationary object that is called a frame of reference. A frame of reference is assumed to be stationary, even if it isn't.
Wait. That means that sometime we are moving, while we are not moving. That makes no sense.
Yet it is true. You are not moving relative to your chair in this room, but you are moving relative to the sun. In fact, you would be moving at about 15,000 miles per second compared to the sun because the Earth is going around it, plus the Earth is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour.
No wonder I'm so dizzy.
No comment.